I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to be talking about antivirus programs and whether we need them to be installed on our computers or not. The short answer is yes, you need them regardless of what operating system you have. Especially if you have Windows 10 or 11, there is a built-in antivirus program that comes with Microsoft. That's basically the good story. The program is called Windows Security. They used to call it Bitdefender back in the time. And to access it, you have to go to the bottom taskbar in here. Click on the top arrow in here, and this here where the green check mark and the protection icon. If you double click the icon there, you would see the Windows Security application pops up. You have a virus and threat protection in this program. You also have a firewall and network protection. It also has an app and browser control. On the top left in here, you can also control the program with all these different features and settings. If you click on virus and threat protection, you'll be able to do a manual quick scan for the computer to scan if there's any viruses, so it can quarantine and delete it for you. Also, you can automate the process of scanning and schedule the scan so you don't have to do it manually. Now, if you need an extra layer of security, I strongly suggest Malwarebytes. Just go to malwarebytes.com on your web browser. This is the official website for Malwarebytes. They have two versions, the free version and the premium version. The free version, you have to do manual scans, just similar to Windows Security, but you can automate the process by doing scheduled scans. You have to have the premium version to do that, and with the premium version, they will actually have a built-in extension onto your browser. So if the website have any spywares or adwares or malwares, the program itself will basically prohibit you from visiting that website. And if there's any virus or malware that has been leaked to your system, it will basically remove it for you automatically. So that's the nice thing about the premium version. The pricing is not too bad. If you click on pricing, you would have the premium version in here. In Canada, we only pay $4.33 per month. They bill you one time, once a year. That's like $51.99. In the US, I think in USD, it will be around $2.50 per month for one computer. It's not too bad, actually. It's like a cup of coffee. You buy it once a month. Not that expensive, to be honest. But again, if you don't want to spend money on the premium version, you can definitely try the free version. I'm just going to click start free download so I can install it and show it to you guys. If you see here the MB setup.exe on the bottom left, if I click it, I will just basically run the installer. You do need an admin account to install the program. I'm going to click install. I'm going to click me or my family, so it's the personal version. Click next. It will start installing. Once it finishes installing, I'm going to show you how the interface will look like and how you can do your own manual scan, so you make sure that your computer is clean. And you have to do that from time to time to make sure that you capture anything, if there's anything that's sitting on your computer, so that the computer gets basically scanned and kept clean. Now the program has finished installing. I'm just going to click done and then close the website. And here's the icon, Malwarebytes within blue. And normally, if you go and click on the bottom taskbar on the arrow, the program will load in here by default when it finishes installation. As you can see, it's there. If I double click it, it will open up the program for me. And I will show you how you can do a manual quick scan in here. Now, so this is the program interface. Obviously, we don't have a license for premium, but I just started a trial for us for 14 days. If you want to do your scanning, you just have to come here and click scan. And obviously you see that it says schedule scan tomorrow at 2:18. That's because it gives us the 14 days trial version for premium. Once the 14 days finishes, you won't see that option anymore. You have to do manual scan for yourself. You just have to click scan, and the scan will take some time. I will tell you, it will take probably, depending how big the hard drive is. Mine is like only 500 gigs hard drive. It will probably take like 20 to 30 minutes to finish scanning properly, and it will give you a report at the end if it did find any malware threats and what it has done with it, whether it quarantined or deleted. It will just tell you and give you a complete detail.